Hello guys, welcome to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. Let's do reading for sign of Aquarius. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Aquarius. So wherever in your birth chart, natal chart, if you are having Aquarius, this might resonate with you. So let's do a general collective reading for your person and third party situation. Third party can be their new person, family, friend. Take it as it resonates in your situation. We will see how your person and third party are getting along, what your person thinks about you now, and messages from your partner for you. So, also, we can have a tarot advice. This reading is for people who are not in contact with their person. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for all your love and support. Note it's a general reading. It may or may not resonate. So if it doesn't resonate, it's not your story and these are not your messages. So I have already shuffled the cards and let's get started. So how situation looks from outside. So I have world, magician and four of chalices. So here your person manifest and third party manifested, we're manifesting something together, but now I think it is coming to an end and they are not happy with each other. That everybody can see, that is what is happening. They want to end this relation because they are not happy, and this might be your person who is not offering them and their cup of love, and this other person, this third party, is manifesting this cup, but it is not coming to them. That is what everybody can see about them. Okay. So, what is unseen truth of their relationship? So, whatever relationship they are having, what is the truth about it? Okay, you have Justice, Five of Pentacle, and Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands is normally a passionate beginning, and Five of Pentacle means there is no passion between them now. Justice in this card might be that they are going through, both of them are going through karmic justice, or there might be some injustice done in the past where the scales are being balanced now, because he might have left you out in the cold financially and went towards them passionately towards this third party. This is a third party, but now this third party is left out in the cold financially also and passionately also. So this is the karmic justice going on in their situation for you. Okay. So what do they think about you in alone time? I hope he is getting his karma, I guess. Yeah. So what does he think about you now? King of Wands, King of Cups, and Nine of Pentacles. Now he thinks that he should have offered all his passion and love towards you because you were Nine of Pentacle. Wish Nine of Pentacle means in normal deck it's a single person, but here it's a wish fulfillment, I guess. Uh, Emotionally also, as you can see, the kids are there, a full family. It was about to complete a full family, but he didn't offer you the love you wanted or to complete this family if you have a family with this person or a long term commitment. So if you are in a long term commitment or a family with him, now he thinks that he should have offered his love and passion towards you. Now he thinks all the time about you. He thinks how much he was happy with you. See the face of this person. It feels like he's so happy. He was so happy with you, and he that time he was very proudful. He was in his ego and all, and he did not offer you his emotions, because this is like water is emotion, water is down below and this throne is little bit up. So he was not at all offering you his emotions, and he should have done it. Now he feels regret that he should have offered all his passion and love towards you because you were the wish fulfillment. I mean, like, this is Nine of Pentacles. Mean he thinks mostly about money, I guess. Yeah, money and stability. It is regarding, because here also pentacles are there. So something related to money is coming around in this reading. Okay. So next is what truth your person didn't know about the third party. Okay. The truth about the third party was Knight of Swords, Seven of Swords, and Queen of Chalices. Queen of Chalices is normally Queen of Cups. So he thinks that this third party offered them this emotion and love, which was very quick, and he did not get time, and they played a mind games with him. This third party played mind games with him for whatever they wanted from him. So this was a swift and quick decision whatever he took towards you, towards the third party too. Now he feels very angry with them. This can be Knight of Swords can be very angry, and they are having bickering fights and all that is going on, I guess. Yeah. So they are not happy with each other. That is for sure. They are not happy with each other. They are playing. I mean, like, he feels that this third party has played very dirty mind games with him, offering their love, and they have not offered anything. That is what is going on right now. He feels regret now. Oh, he doesn't know what to do. Yeah. So, what action should you take about your person as you know about the third party? As you know, he has betrayed you, or he has gone against you without any intimation all. So, what are the cards suggesting you to do? So, it is King of Pentacles, Lady and the Lord, Four of Pentacles. Again, lot of Pentacles. So cards are telling me that King of Pentacle is a responsible person who is having all his abundance, money in check. He is a responsible person. So try to be responsible in your own thing. You try to take hold of your money. Four of Pentacles is, don't share anything with this person. He will offer you love, but don't share your money status or anything regarding material thing. Don't share with him. If he is offering you love, question him about your concerns. If he is coming back to you, ask him why he did that or what was the reason. I mean, like, you can see her face. Yeah, she is in love with him. She is holding his hand. It can be him or her or anyone, but you can say that for now time being you should not offer your money to this person in any cost, whether you love him or if they are not in contact and they are not contacting you, but you are still in love with them and they will offer you and come back and offer you love. Still, you should not offer them, you should not tell them what is your financial condition. That is what I wanted to say. Okay, these are your actions should be regarding them. And what exact presently he is thinking is Page of Wands. Page of Wands is a small new beginning, passionate beginning, like kid type. So, okay. The Hangman and Three of Wands. He wants to come back, okay? He wants to come back to you. He wants to offer his passion to you, towards you. But he is in a thinking mode now and he doesn't know how to come back. He is very conflicted. These are three swords and he is a distance from you. Wherever you are staying, he is apart from you. He is at a distance from you. So this is what presently is going on, what he is thinking about you. So if it has resonated till now, please make energetic donation by liking, subscribing and sharing my channel. It gives me motivation to make more videos. Okay, so let's continue with our reading. So messages from your person. So what messages your person? Okay, what messages your person wants to give you? What are the messages from your person for you? What they want to tell you? What they want to say to you? Universe, guys, please give me messages. Your face haunts me day and night. So he constantly thinks about you. He constantly thinks about you. Oh, 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 cards are flying. I know I haven't been perfect person for you because of my insecurities. So he's thinking, he's in a thinking mode that is explaining. Hangman is explaining this insecurity thing. Okay. Sorry, I cannot come towards you anymore. So he's sorry that he is not able to accept or take his accountability. See, I never get right words to say to you. So he is very conflicted mind. Should he offer his love? Should he just keep the things as it is, as they are? Or he should come back to you or go to that third party? He is very indecisive right now. He is unhappy for sure. Aquarius, that is for sure that he is not at all happy. He doesn't know what to do. He wants to come back, then he thinks that he wants to start new with you, then he doesn't know what to say to you. That is what is going on in Aquarius life. Okay, so what are the advice cards from universe to you? Advice cards are, I have taken it from Keeper. False person, courtship, courthouse. Okay, so many court cards here. Here also justice card is also there. So if you are in a committed relationship and if you are married to this person, he wants to come forward and tell you that he was blocked with this false person because of this passion. Can you, his name might be having initials or name initials could be of your person, or the third party might be NCM. Uh, yeah, that is what I can see. NCM. Okay. So I have this 8 number card, 4 and 5. So this person definitely wants to change the situation as he is going through karma. 100% for sure. And he wants to come back to you, talk to you about this third person, but he doesn't have any words because he thinks that whatever he did to you is has come back to him, like the justice is coming back, or might be this third party might put a case against them in a court. So before you come to know, he wants to come and tell you that. That is what could be the thing. And other than that, this shadow card is also gift. So he wants to offer you a small gift and come back and talk to you in near future. This is the advice for you, that be prepared for this meeting. Might be he might come back to tell you about this third party. Third party can be his family, friends, whoever has put him through trouble or made him think that you are a bad person, or some misunderstanding they must have done it. Now they are feeling very left out in the cold, as you can see here, 5 of Pentacles. So this third party is, they both are not talking because here is 4 of Cups. So the wish is not fulfilled in this third party. Now he is thinking to come back. That's what is going on in this third party situation. If I hope you like this reading. If reading has resonated, please do comment, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit notification bell for more videos. For personal reading, sorry, for personal readings, do check description box down below. See you soon in next video. Till then, love and light.